Jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together, knees slightly bent, and arms to the side. Jump while raising your arms and separating your legs to the sides. Land with your legs apart and arms overhead. Jump again to the original position and repeat this movement as fast as possible. High knees. Drive one knee up while swinging opposite arm up. Begin lifting the second leg in the opposite arm before planting the lead foot. Continue the movement on your opposite side, alternating quickly between sides. Great job! Take a 60-second rest. Breathe deeply and drink water if you need to. Bodyweight squats. Squat down by hinging the hips back while allowing the knees to bend forward, keeping the back straight and knees pointed in the same direction as your feet. Descend until thighs are parallel to the ground. Extend your knees and hips until your legs are straight. Bicycle crunches. Start by laying down on the mat. Then lift your knees to a 90-degree angle. Place your fingers behind your ears. Reach opposite elbow to the opposite knee, alternating sides. Great job! Take a 60-second rest. Breathe deeply and drink water if you need to. Hey, first of all, let me say congratulations. You just crushed our 10-minute bodyweight workout. And that's no small feat. Taking those 10 minutes for yourself, for your health, and for your goals is a huge accomplishment. And you should be so proud of what you just did. Remember, every great transformation starts with small steps. And what you did today is one of those steps. It's not just about the workout, it's about showing up for yourself. Proving that you can make time for your goals, and building momentum towards something bigger. But don't stop here. Keep that fire going, because you're capable of so much more than you even realize right now. If you're ready to take your progress to the next level, we've got the perfect program for you. The brand new Fit Moms Ignite Program 2.0. It's the improved version of our most popular program, designed specifically for women and moms like you, who are ready to lose weight, feel confident, and achieve real and lasting results. Click the link in the description to learn why this program has helped thousands of women just like you to lose weight, and why it can help you reach your goals. You've already taken an incredible step, now it's time to ignite your transformation. You're stronger than you think, and you've already proven you can do this. Keep going, keep showing up, and let's reach those goals together. I'm rooting for you always. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next video.